Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dorothy. In today's video we'll be learning how to make this beautiful pin cushion. If you are like me who usually tack my pieces before sewing, and in the process of tacking or after sewing your piece you remove your pin and put it in your mouth or somewhere and misplace it. Yes, I am guilty of this as well. So this video is for you. If you're coming across this channel for the first time or this video for the first time, you are welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching my videos and engaging in my content. God bless you all. So let's go on and start. The material that I'll be needing for this project is this piece of pattern paper and elastic. It's about 1 inch wide, then this scrap fabric. So right now I'll just place this tool outside. I will be using this compass tool to make the circular shape. In case you don't have a compass, you can use an object that is circular in shape, like a cover of a cream. Just something that will give you your desired size of circle, but it shouldn't be something big or large. Yeah. So I just insert the compass on my pattern paper and draw my circle. Now that I am done drawing the desired size of my circle, I'll just go ahead and cut it out. Next on, I will fold a portion of my fabric. Then I will place my pattern paper on my fabric and pin it together. Then I will go ahead to cut. When cutting, I leave about 0.25 inch for seam allowance. On the fabric I just cut out, I will mark out 1 inch for opening. That is after sewing all around. I will use that opening to turn out the right side. So for the band, I fold my fabric like this and I mark 1.5 inch wide and the length of about 13 inches. Then I use my chalk to mark that out before cutting it out. Now that I'm done cutting my band, I will take it to the sewing machine and sew it. I will also do the same thing for my circle piece. Now that I'm done sewing my band and my circle piece, as you can see, I will go on to turn it into the right face. I measure my waist, which is about 7 inches, so I'll be using the 7 inches to cut out my band. I will be using my safety pin to hook my elastic. Then I will go ahead to fix the elastic into my band. When I get to one end of my elastic, I will use my office pin to hold it down. Then I'll continue fixing it, and when I get to the other end, I will also remove my safety pin. Then I'll use my office pin to hold that end down like so. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine to sew it down. When I'm done sewing the two sides down, I'll go ahead and place one end of my band and place it on top of this other end. Then I'll go ahead to sew that down. Now that I am temporarily done with my band, I'll place it one side and work on my cycle piece. I will be using this cotton to fill in my cycle piece. So I'll go on to cut them into small pieces, then I'll go ahead to fill them in my cycle piece. When I've gotten my desired feel, I will go on to fold the edge like so. That is the 1-inch edge that I use in filling it. I'll go on to fold it in like this. After then, I will use my needle, my sewing needle, to sew that side. Now that I am done with my cycle piece, next on I'll go ahead to attach my cycle piece to the band. So from the points that I joined earlier, that is the two sides that I joined together earlier, I'll pick my little cycle piece and place it on it like this. Then I will go ahead to use my my needle, and sew it together. I sew this for about 5 times, and when I'm done sewing, I went ahead to use my needle to tie it together to avoid losing. Okay guys, this is it. Our pincushion is ready. Right away, I'll go ahead to place my pins on them. Will you be trying this? Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you've not please do well to like, comment, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to get notified when I drop new video every week. Thank you guys. God bless.